Hello my friend and welcome back to my home. I am sharing all of the non-toxic cleaning products that I'm going to be using to deep clean my kitchen today. Before we can get into the deep cleaning motivation, I do have to do a quick tidy up from the morning chaos as a mom of two, and I need to deal with the piles of stuff that I've just accumulated over the last few days. Starting off with getting these tomatoes from our garden put into the freezer, as I do plan on canning some salsa here, but they've just been sitting in our refrigerator screaming at me from my silent to-do list along with this pile here. And so enough is enough. We are getting this kitchen back in tip-top shape and ready for our big move. We are going to be deep cleaning the inside of the oven today, which the before and after transformation of it is insane. I'm also going to be sharing some homemaking motivation, including a easy lunch recipe and a snack bar idea for the kiddos, or a little pick-me-up for yourself. Whether you are cleaning along with me today or sitting back and enjoying a coffee or a beverage of choice, I hope that you get inspired through today's video.
You make me strong. I'll carry on with the fires left in me. You lifted me higher.
As I mentioned earlier, I am using all non-toxic cleaning products as always, and I did share an Instagram reel and TikTok about a week ago featuring my favorite non-toxic cleaning products. So make sure that you are following me over there as well. But in case you missed it, I figured I would share it here too. For dishes, I like using Dr. Bronner's cast iron soap along with my Enyo. For the dishwasher, I recently switched to Branch Basics. For laundry, I love using Molly Suds powder laundry detergent. I've been using that stuff for years and I refuse to switch. And for my whole house, my clients' homes, which if you didn't know, I am a professional cleaner, I use Enyo, which is what I am using here. And in all of my videos for the last little bit here, there's different colors for different areas of your home, and I've been using Enyo for about 2 years now.
Tried it before with all I got. And I know what's left now. The sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all.
The tool that I am using here is great for hard to reach areas like you saw me using to dust the cobwebs in between the walls and the ceiling, back in the ceiling fan, and around the trim and the windows here. You'll also see me use it right here in between my fridge and then underneath some cabinets and around my stove. This product literally sold me on Enyo back when I first tried it. Honestly, nothing dusts like this thing does. It is like incredible. It's also approved by the Asthma and Allergy Association, so if you or someone in your family really struggles with allergies, I highly recommend this product. It is pricey, but it's worth the investment in my opinion.
That's left in me.
Next up is using the kitchen Enyo fibers along with some helpers to really deep clean our kitchen cabinets, the backsplash, our walls, exterior appliances, and again, the inside of my oven. I wasn't kidding when I said we are getting it done today. I also briefly wanted to just introduce myself in case you are new here. Welcome, my name is Brianne. I am a mom, wife, and homemaker who loves sharing motivational content here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. On simple and intentional living, homemaking, and also non-toxic cleaning. You'll find things from recipes to cleaning motivation, decluttering and organizing. And we just bought a 1960s home where I'm going to be sharing some DIY projects, home decor, and room transformations. So basically, if you like home inspiration and a lot of motivation, hit the red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family and to watch my weekly videos. And while you're at it, hit that bell so you are notified when I do upload. We are on our way to 5K and I can't wait to do a subscriber only giveaway when we reach that goal. And so yeah, just wanted to thank you so much for being here, and I would love for you to say hi down below in the comments.
I find it hard to reach you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull and the other way around. Pull me in, push me
I will do a
back.
spot clean on my kitchen cabinets weekly, but I don't get around to giving them all a complete wipe down very often, and wow, does it make the world of a difference. How often do you guys clean your kitchen cabinets? Let me know down below. This is a judgment-free zone. I'm gonna do some editing magic here to get these dishes put away, and then we're going to continue through with the whole kitchen. You may or may not have noticed, but when I'm cleaning, I'm working from the back of the room, top to the bottom, and left to right. So speaking to you as a professional cleaner, doing this will ensure that you don't miss any spots while you're cleaning your home. You can use this method in any room of your home, not just here in the kitchen, and I highly suggest trying it. It will help to keep you on track and again, just not miss anything.
Maybe you're scared of getting hurt, but if you sit down and allow me to get close, we might work. Every time you've been calling saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go and say what you want, right? Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I can't find my love, been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd.
I tried scrubbing this thing for half an hour before calling in reinforcements, aka my Bissell 3-in-1 steam cleaner. It has been a hot minute since I've whipped this bad boy out, and man, am I so happy I did. Wait for the before and after. It is insane. My oven has literally been caked on for months. Yes, it's been months since I've cleaned my oven. You could say I've completely neglected it, and I'm working on getting better at this, but again, we're in a judgment-free zone, so don't come at me. I went at this with my steam cleaner for honestly a solid probably 45 minutes, switching out the attachments as I needed, and little by little it started to get clean. I will link this thing down below, as I truly believe everyone needs one and every home needs one. You can use it for so many different things, and it's just a really great non-toxic cleaning tool.
Girl, you should know that no love ain't real if something's broken. But I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor lust. And I hate that I admit we're at the break.
Okay, this is gonna have to be good enough for now. I've been scrubbing this for well over an hour. You can see it is truly so caked on that side. And this is just like layers upon layers upon layers of, again, scrubbing. So we are going to finish that another day, but the inside looks pretty good. Just needs a little bit more scrubbing as well. I need to start myself some lunch and I need the oven. And then I will finish giving this oven a nice deep clean before we move out. I don't know if I will have time to film it. I will try my best, but with the move being so close, I don't know if I will have time to do like a move in, move out clean on my YouTube channel. I really wanted to. However, I am just doing my best over here and there's a lot of projects that need to be done in the new house. A reminder of what it looked like before and then the after.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit. Calm down and get your real applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh, I'm trying to hold on. Oh, gotta keep on keeping on. Down. Just a little bit of you and I combine to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm not in love with all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5. You're gonna be there all the way. It's even out the odds. It's not rational, baby. In the wrinkles of your palms lies my destiny. I don't have a choice. Just a little bit of you and I go right to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you, baby, now. We've
I feel like I've been very chatty today, so I wanted to allow that song to play as it is a total vibe and it just puts me in such a great mood. As I'm editing this voiceover, I was like literally swaying, dancing in my seat, smiling to myself. So just envision that for a hot minute. But moving on, we are going to vacuum and mop using my rainbow vacuum, which I have a whole video dedicated to this thing and my thoughts on it as I get asked about it often. So go and check that out if you haven't seen it already and you are curious about it. I am infusing it today with a lemon essential oil to really boost my mood and to help the house smell incredible, again, using non-toxic scents. When it comes to mopping my floors, I'm using, you guessed it, Enyo. These two pair together very well and our floors are so squeaky clean when I use my rainbow vacuum and the Enyo. This purple spray bottle that you see is just water, as that's all you need when you're using Enyo fibers. But now that the kitchen floors are done, I wanted to quickly share these perfect bars from Feeding the Nobles on Instagram. I've shared her recipes before and this one is a new one that I tried. It is super easy to make and is absolutely delicious. Now, back to the kitchen, there is no better feeling than when the heart of the home feels so clean, smells incredible, and you're just able to sit back and relax and enjoy it before completely destroying it again at the next meal. Am I right? Thanks so much for being here. If you are still here, make sure you're subscribed as you clearly enjoyed today's video and give it a thumbs up as well. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.